Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger key fob. Start by confirming your fob model and removing any cover or key blade release so you can access the battery compartment. Keep your new CR2032 battery handy and a small flat tool or coin to pry open the case gently. Avoid touching the battery contacts and note the battery orientation before removing the old cell to ensure correct replacement and function. Remove the mechanical key first and then find the seam on the fob housing where the two halves meet. Insert a flat tool or coin and apply gentle pressure to pry the halves apart. Listen for the clip release. Work slowly so you do not break any plastic tabs or dislodge internal components. Set the opened halves and any loose clips aside on a clean surface so reassembly will be quick and accurate. Carefully lift out the old battery and check which side is facing up so you can insert the new CR2032 correctly. Place the new cell in the same orientation, press it into its cradle, and ensure any contact springs are seated properly. Snap the housing halves back together and reinsert the mechanical key. Test all functions including lock, unlock, and remote start from several distances to confirm the change worked successfully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.